All right, so people, we are down at Anthony Spalding Sports Complex. As you can see in the background, we have the next matchup on Mount Pleasant versus Cavaliers, which is promised to be a brilliant one. But guess what? When I'm here to discuss that, it's actually a link up. But when I'm here to discuss that, I want to say congratulations to the Reggae Girlz, and definitely we are feeling really proud about the work that they put in. As I mentioned last night on the review show, that I've never seen another Reggae Girl team, not even Reggae, I've never seen a Jamaican team put in that much effort and work rate into a team performance like that. I can tell you that I've never seen it before. Especially look at Atkinson. Natalia Atkinson was definitely an example of what we want to see from our players. She left everything on the pitch. But certainly, this is a good sign to see that something is happening, especially in women's football in Jamaica. I really hope that the girls at the schoolgirl football level, straight to the Women Premier League level, to get the support that the Reggae Girlz, and not just supporting the Reggae Girlz, but I'm hoping that we can see a holistic support right throughout. But definitely, they have advanced to the Concacaf Championship, Under 20 Championship, and I'm telling you, as commentators in the game would say, Jamaica is a team to look out for at this present moment, and certainly I'm expecting to see good things from them. Definitely, congratulations, girls, and well done, and happy. I'm really happy for you guys, and definitely we want to see what you guys continue pushing forward like this, putting in the work, and see what the results are coming up in the Concacaf championships. And well done.